Hi, Steven. A nice view we got going on over here. Got the Seaway and Golf Course. We're in Hewlett Harbor. We have, looks like a, oh my God. Look what it is. It's a suck ass. Oh my God, it's a suck ass. Anyway, we're here for this condenser, and the homeowner's daughter just told me when we went inside, we turned the thermostat on, and she told me that the circuit breaker in the garage, which is over there, was tripped, so she reset it last week and blah, 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 blah. So anyway, coming over here, I thought it was this disconnect, but I pulled that out by mistake. So then I went over here and noticed that someone has already done half my job. So we're gonna see what's going on here with this thing. Let's see if we hear the contactor. I don't hear anything. So maybe yes, maybe no. But you can always put your ear against the electrical. If you put your ear against the electrical compartment, if you hear that contactor humming, at least you know you got 24 volts going to the condenser, and then you can diagnose from there. But we're gonna take off that electrical compartment right there. Steven's gonna manhandle. Watch out for this little thorny looking bush right here. They'll get you every time. And we'll take a peek and see what's going on over there. Try to pull some of this back. Actually, it's not that one, the one next to it.
This one?
Yeah, that one goes through both sides. Now, is there one on the top right here? No, there isn't. Okay, good.
I need a fucking brush.
Yep. All right. Maybe even like a drop cloth so we can hide back these bushes for now, but. So just check and see what we see here. All right, so we're going to do some troubleshooting. Stay tuned. All right. So we do have 24 volts. We just got to figure out why someone took out the disconnect. All right, so I checked for shorts to ground, ground being there, and then the terminals on top of the contactor with 24 volts removed, so the contactor is not pulling in. And we did not have anything there. So now Steven's going to be that voltmeter again. And when we plug this in, we're going to check for our amperage draw on each line here. So Steven's going to give me that. We're going to set this to amperage. We're going to hook up one of them right there. And we're going to watch this once we plug this in. All right, let's see what happens. Bzz. So as you can see, I did not have compressor to run. We'll do that one more time. You'll watch the... See? So we have no compressor there at all. So we either have a hard starting compressor, or maybe one of the terminals blew off. We're going to take a peek in there right now and see what's going on in there. So now we'll take off the top cover. So we just removed the condenser fan motor. I'm just looking inside. As you can see, there is a compressor cover, terminal cover there. See? And it looks like we're gonna have a blown. Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna have. Look at that. Wiring's burnt off. Look at that. They're all burnt off. So we're gonna pull off the rest of that. And as you can see, it's toast. Sayonara. I'm gonna see if I can get in there and get a picture of what we got going on in there. Do we see it? There we go.